How to buy cryptocurrency on Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. So in order to buy cryptocurrency on Binance, first thing first, log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Here, tap the trade icon located right at the bottom, right in center. Now then, to buy cryptocurrency, go ahead and select the buy or the plus button. Next page, select the crypto that you wish to buy. You also need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay and click the buy button. Next page is going to ask you to select the payment method. So select the payment method whichever is convenient for you. After that, click the confirm button located right at the bottom. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully bought cryptocurrency on Binance. So in this way, you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.